Here at OCtech, we have a history of preparing students for good jobs and great careers. And as you watch the series of videos that we produced, think less about the programs that we offer, but more about how these programs have changed the lives of our graduates and have the ability to change your life as well.
Our program combines classroom and lab instruction. Most days you'll be in the lab doing hands-on work. If you don't mind getting sweaty and dirty, enjoying working with your hands and building things, and you like being outside, this career may be for you. We offer 3 different tracks: a basic certificate, which can be completed in 3 semesters, an intermediate certificate, which can be completed in 2 semesters, and an associate's degree, which takes 5 semesters to complete. You can find work anywhere, from a small mom-and-pop automotive shop to a large corporation, and in industries like Husqvarna right down the road, or on oil rigs off the Gulf Coast of Mexico and around the world. There are plenty of job opportunities and plenty of demand for welders if you're willing to do the work.
My name is Devontae Turkvan. I'm an apprenticeship program at OCtech. I'm taking on welding and industrial maintenance. What I like about it is it's similar to art, so I'm in the art, so that's how I look at it. I recommend welding because I'm coming from a final assembly and I've got a great opportunity to go to OCtech to learn different things about welding. So, and it's better pay and you'll like it.
We currently have a program with OCtech in Apprenticeship Carolina where we recruit and obtain students that are in the welding program. The need for welders is in high demand. The pay is really good. The partnership with Orangeburg-Calhoun Technical College, it gives the students the ability to actually have hands-on knowledge at the college in the actual labs there. They can work on some of the actual products from Husqvarna if they're going to be coming here for employment, and then they'll know exactly what they'll be doing once they come here. OCtech prepares them well.